Aquinas was greatly influenced by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle. In fact, in Aquinas' writings, he refers to Aristotle simply and honourably as the philosopher. So Aristotle argues that nature is goal-directed. We live in a teleological universe, from the Greek word telos, which means purpose or final function. And every living thing, every natural thing, it has a final function, a final end that it's aiming towards. Aristotle also talks about this in terms of potentiality and actuality. So an acorn, for instance, is a potential oak. Right? And an acorn, is a potential oak tree, and its purpose is to become an oak tree. And once it achieves its purpose, it fulfills its potential, and only then can it flourish. And that would be a good acorn. We can say that acorn is good, whereas an acorn that fails to germinate, well, that would be a bad acorn. So a living thing is good insofar as it fulfills its potential, and in order to do that, it must utilise features that are distinctive of that thing's form. That may sound a little bit confusing, but let's take the cheetah as an example. So what is distinctive about a cheetah is its ability to run fast. A cheetah that was really slow, that would just be a bad cheetah. When a cheetah utilises its ability to run fast, it is working towards actualising its potential as the fastest land animal on the planet, and thereby working towards achieving its final end. With that in mind, what makes a good human? Well, first we need to identify the feature distinctive of human beings, and for Aquinas, like Aristotle, that is our capacity to reason. Therefore, part of what makes a good human involves the proper exercise of reason. For Aquinas, as with Aristotle, the final end of a human being is eudaimonia. And this means, it's often translated as happiness, which is a bit broader than that, so sometimes it's translated to flourishing, a state of flourishing. Aquinas describes it as a state of perfection. So, from this we can conclude that the proper use of reason is crucial to our perfection, to perfecting our nature. And as we will discover in the next videos, through the proper use of reason, we can discover what is good for us and what is worth pursuing. So the points to take away from this video are the following. Every living creature has a telos. Its telos is related to features distinctive to its form. A being fulfills its purpose by utilising these distinctive features. And what is distinctive about human beings is the capacity to reason. And our final end is eudaimonia, which Aquinas describes as perfection.